us. So first and foremost, we'd like to call in from NF Friends Philippines, Ms. Araceli Lenorio.
Hello, good morning everyone, and once again, thank you for inviting us here. So I'll be sharing, I may not have my PowerPoint presentation, but I'll be sharing with you my experience as an NF1 patient. So I was diagnosed of NF1 when I was 16 years old, and at that time, where social media is not yet really available. So at first, we've noticed that meron akong mga lymph nodules on my neck, and I have lymph nodes on my neck and a lymph nodules on my eyes. So at that time, my siblings, older siblings, has been very much worried on my condition because that I'm so thin and I have that kind of manifestation. So we don't